Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice about conditional sentence, and as let me inform you once that we have already covered three conditional sentence related. First one was zero conditional, second one was if I wear, no, second one was related present simple, and if we should use if with present simple, and the second one was if I wear, then it would be and wear plus would, and the fourth one was if I had, then I would be. Today we are going to the mixed conditional sentence. Yeah guys, mixed, as we have learned about I had, then I would, that kind of. So today with had and would, it would be the same, but there will be a regression. There will be a regression. And what are the difference? The earlier one we have used had, but after had we didn't use any kind of verb. But in this video, after had we will use verb. Okay, and after would, it would be verb, would be like verb, any kind of verb we should use. For that, this is a mixed conditional sentence. Like uh, the syntax would be like if I had done, अगर मैं ये किया होता, if I had done this work, then today I would not regret for that situation. Today I would not be like right now. Okay, if I had done that work means अगर मैं वो काम किया होता, then आज मैं ऐसे नहीं होती. Okay, so we are regretting that if I had we can create like sentence like one, if I had some money. We are using after had some, this is not verb, so this is the conditional for sentence. But in today's video, after had we will learn about verb, how we will use had plus verb and would plus verb. In second sentence, would plus verb, as we are using had, so instead of will or any kind of other sentence we must use would. Will would be would because of past tense, as had is past, and after had we are using verb. Like if I had listened to my instinct, if I had listened is a verb after had. If I had listened to my instinct, then today I would be, this is the present condition. After having regression we are talking about present. Then you would have or you would be, that kind of. After would, be or have, you must have to use any kind of verb or any yeah. In first condition, after had you must have to use verb, and second condition, in second sentence, after would we must use be or have or any kind of verb. Like if I had worked hard, today I would be getting more offers from company. If I had not, this is a negative sentence, if I had not left my earlier job, then today I would not be here. Like that, guy. You can, अगर मैं वो नहीं की होती तो आज ये नहीं हुआ होता. That kind of situation you must have to keep in your mind whenever had in conditional sentence, had we will use had with two types, with two different types. First one is after had we can use any kind of object, like if I had some money, more money, then I would doing something different, that kind of sentence. And if I had done, or any kind of, if I had walked, if I had earned, if I had went there, if I had went gone there, if I had gone there, then today I would be, or I would have, what kind of you can use. Just keep in your mind that you must have to use verb in mixed conditional sentence. This is the core thing of this English conditional sentence in 4. And you can Google it, you can use any kind of AI tools to get more information if you are interested to learn more about. But the core thing is, I have learned by watching videos here and there, more English related contents and AI tools. I have observed there is one different you should keep in your mind, that it is a regretting condition about past and what you are feeling right now in present, and must that we must use verb after had, and in second sentence with would we should use be or have or any kind of verb. And how it can be sentence, अगर मैं ये जॉब नहीं छोड़ी होती तो आज मैं यहाँ नहीं होती, अगर मैं हार्ड वर्क नहीं की होती तो आज मैं यहाँ पहुँची नहीं होती, अगर मैं और हार्ड वर्क की होती, इफ़ आई हैड वर्कड हार्ड मोर, then I would be something different, then I would be, तो मैं कुछ अलग होती, then I would be something different. So like that guys, you can create and go Google it. I have shared the knowledge about that. And so guys, this was the core things that if you are going to use with if I had worked hard, if then I don't use then, there will be a comma. If I had worked hard, I would be somewhere else, I would be working, I would be getting something different works. So like that guys, you can create different kind of words and sentences. You go use AI tools to create sentence and try to read 10 times that kind of sentence, that you can get the exact meaning, how and where we should use, then only you can understand about that. So go, I have shared the core things and core ideas, how and why we should use. And to get more deep down knowledge about that, you must have to go search it, and then only you can master on it. I'm also learning and I'm practicing. I can make sentence, but in order to teach or make or create video, you must have to the materials to share what is the core things that anyone can understand easily. So for that purpose guys, if you are interested to learn, to get information, more knowledge about that, then you must have to search by yourself and create sentence and go start speaking in front of cameras like I am talking. Then only you can start speaking English, otherwise no one can make you speak, because practicing is only key to start speaking English. So go, keep practicing, keep learning, and if you are interested to grow in your career as a data analytics, then start watching my videos related Power BI, Excel, and later on I will start also many more videos about data analytics skills. So guys, if you want to grow, then don't forget to watch, start learning, start creating, and keep learning, keep signing. Thank you. See you in my next video.